we going to get into today? Well, let's say, pass the peach. Okay, so what we're going to make today is peach cream moonshine. Oh, this one is fantastic. But we do have a do-ahead. And I have to say, I got me just a little under 2 pounds of fresh peaches, and I washed them. The do-ahead is, on this particular recipe, we cut the peaches up, dice them, put them in a half-gallon mason jar, and then we got a cup of sugar to put on top of that to make our syrup. And we'll leave it in there for 3, 4, 5 days for that syrup. The sugar will pull the juices out of those peaches to make that peach syrup that we want. And this is going to be a fantastic drink. All right, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, so let me get started. And basically, let me get that out of the way before I spill it. Basically, all what we want to do is we are just going to cut up, if I can get around that seed, cut up the, there it is. The peach, and I just want to dice it up into smaller pieces, and just so that the sugar can do its magic. And I have made peach syrup by throwing them in a pan with the sugar and cooking them, and that does work fine. I just wanted to try this recipe out, the way to do it, and I'm hoping it's going to have the same thing. So what we, like I said, what we'll do is dice these up, add sugar, and then I'll stick it in the refrigerator for, I don't know, 3 to 5 days. Somewhere in that one. I don't think a little extra time would hurt it at all. But that's a tasty peach. Tasty peach. And I left the skin on it for a little extra flavor. And I hope everybody's enjoying past the peach week. I know it's been a lot of fun for me. All right, so let me get this done, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I got all my peaches cut up. Now let me add my sugar. All right, and what we're going to do is we'll put a lid on that, stick it in the refrigerator, and every day come up and just give it a little shake, a little stir, roll around, you get all the, we'll get all them juices out of them peaches, and we will make our, get out of here fly, make our peach syrup, and then we'll come back and do the rest of it. This is one fantastic recipe. It's going to be a lot of fun. So, I'll see you back in a few days. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so it's been 4 days since we got our syrup going. It just amazes me, if you look earlier, they were all the way up there. Look how small them peaches got and all that nice looking syrup. Okay, so what we want to do is we just want to strain out the, can you see that? Strain out the peaches. And I'm gonna just sit there and let them drip. Okay. All right. So while they're dripping, we can make our cream. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll take the. We want to mix the cream. So what we want to do is 1 can of the evaporated milk, if I find the opener. 1 can of the evaporated milk. Oops. All right, 1 can of that. We want 1 can of the sweetened condensed milk. This is the sticky stuff. This is the one that's all sticky. We're gonna put that in there. It's always hard to get out of the can. Okay. And then we want 1 cup of milk. One cup of milk. All right, so what I'm gonna do, let me get something like that off. What I'm gonna do is just give that a little quick burst, just to mix that up just a little bit. You don't have to go too nuts, just a little bit. All right. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to add in our syrup. And then we'll just give that a little quick, just a little, just a little. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use this pot to mix in. So I'll pour the cream in the pot. Get that out of the way. Messy, messy. You ever known me to be messy? All right, now I got 1 quart, 4 cups of 100 proof shine. I'm gonna add to that. Give that a good stir. Smells good. All right, so so I got that all stirred up. We're just gonna put some in our jars. Now the milk, you could use either milk or half and half or just cream, but I don't like it too awful thick. I just want it creamy, not real thick. So that's why I used I'll tell you what, this Peach Week has been a lot of fun. Probably one more. Okay, let me get some lids. Okay, I want to taste it so bad, but I'm not going to taste it. We're going to wait till tasting day. And me and Laura will sit down and taste everything and let you know what it tastes like. So you get our reaction, good, bad, or indifferent. All right. But if it's anything you like the smell, it's going to be pretty nice. Okay? All right, I got a mess to clean up. Okay, that is our peach cream moonshine. I will store it in the refrigerator because it's got dairy in it. It just lasts so much longer if I put it in the refrigerator. It does have a lot of alcohol into it. So, but that is what it is. All right, so that is our pasta peach cream. All right, I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.